Choose to rent. Advancing events through technology.
With unmatched convenience and versatility, the TP-Link MR200 is the perfect solution for working in remote locations or exhibition centers. On the back of the router, you will find the power supply port and button, 3 LAN ports, 1 LAN WAN port, WPS and Wi-Fi buttons, as well as the SIM card slot. Position the router's antennas in an upright position. Plug in the power adapter and power on the router. Allow a few minutes for the router to light up and connect to your pre-configured rental settings. Solid internet, 4G/LTE, and Wi-Fi LED lights will signify that the router has connected successfully. In some cases, the router may have to be moved to a different location for better signal strength. When connecting to a venue's hardline internet connection, make sure to connect the Ethernet cable to the LAN/WAN port on the back of the router. Allow a few minutes for the router to establish the hardline connection. Connect the printer to one of the router's LAN ports with an Ethernet cable. Allow up to 1 minute for the printer to obtain an IP address from the router. When connecting to the router from a PC, choose the Wi-Fi network name printed on the router's label and enter the password provided in the setup documents within your rental shipment. When connecting to the router from an iOS device, you can find the router's name on the Wi-Fi selection screen, or open the iOS device's camera app and scan the QR code found on the bottom of the router and press join when prompted to join the network. It is important not to press and hold the WPS reset button. This will reset the router and stop it from working. Do not press the Wi-Fi on-off button, as this will disable the Wi-Fi. Do not release the SIM card from the router, as this will disable the cellular data connection.